Yeah, good evening, everyone. So today I'll be presenting on my project. My name is Ajibola Kalun, and I'm totally excited to present my Django application, in which I tried to integrate some DevOps practices. So, what was the project about? The project is a to-do API designed to help users manage tasks efficiently. And its core functionalities include user authentication, task management, repository, SQL, yeah, majorly just some other tiny other things. The technology is used. So I have incorporated DevOps tools like Docker for containerization, GitHub Actions for CI/CD, and Ansible for automated deployment. So just explaining. So if I go to show you the actual stuff on the code, and I know you will see my screen. So this is the user authentication, registration and login. These are one of the major features. Then also we will show data persistence using PostgreSQL SQL. So create, update, and delete stacks stored in PostgreSQL SQL. Just that, nothing more than so then user flows, like we have you saw the UI and we have an API and just the normal Django architecture that comes with all these features. So Dockerization. So we have the Django app. The purpose of the Django app is like that's the main app that pushes the stuff. Then the PostgreSQL as SQL, we have it there as the database. Then Nginx, let me show you the Nginx. You can see the Nginx, and it's basically like the configuration of file. We know how this stuff works. The configuration of files, and you can see you can see just the way it explained the server, the configuration of file, the static files. I had a lot of videos in trying to navigate and push that. So yeah, the static files are one of the major things that I did use. But yeah, so then error handling also. So then next, what should I show? Like Docker Compose or YML. I think that's the next. Yeah, just service. Basically, it's just really definitions like these different service definitions. Then how? But let me just play. You see, Django connects to PostgreSQL and it then uses Nginx as my reverse proxy. So Nginx is like the reverse proxy, like the server stuff is just the reverse proxy. So yeah, Django connects to the DB, and you can see everything. You can see the PostgreSQL stuff. So the app connects to that, it interacts with it, and it connects to this, and then it uses the Nginx as the reverse proxy. And you can you can see deployed and this. Yeah, you can see the Nginx. Are you seeing, like, you understand the explanation I gave, like how how general services interact with Django connecting to PostgreSQL and using Nginx as the proxy. So that's what they're showing. And to show my Docker Compose up works, it works. Let me show you the code. It works. You need to have run logged and run code studio. Let me show you. Um, so it is it. Great stuff. Docker build T to the app. So built, then login. So this was my username. Docker login using my username. Then Docker push. Then Docker. So yeah. Then Docker pull. Then Docker compose down, then Docker compose up, then Docker compose up. So yeah, this is the major. So you can see Docker compose up. Everything is it worked. The stuff work. So what next? I will be explaining the CI/CD with GitHub Action. So I'm going to open my workflow. The major thing I just really need to explain is how I use the jobs for code quality checks. So need to deflate it. I know you understand that. So I use Flake8 for that's the linting with Flake8. So install Linked. So you see this. So and you see the jobs. These are the jobs in the workflow. So and there was a lot of testing. Unit testing and integration testing I was running. I'll show that now. So this is the build. This is the build, like using the main.yaml. So and this is the testing. So there's a lot of unit testing and testing. Then of course you have to push the images to Docker Hub, which I did. So install dependencies, then Python pip install, wait for database to be ready. So and then all of them were pushed to. So the next to explain is Ansible. So Ansible. So basically the playbook was like we pull the Docker images. After pulling Docker images, we configure the server. So after configuring the server, like the firewall directory setups, then we then run the application using Docker Compose. So you see Docker Compose, so that's how we then run. So if you understand the explanation, putting Docker images and configuring the server, then like running the application. That's just the basic. So you see host.tni, just configuring, install dependencies, basic stuff. Also this playbook.yml, this this, then running the application using Docker Compose. Yeah, running so copy inject this. So yeah, so this is running the playbook in the terminal. So I run the Ansible in the terminal and the deployed application in the target server. So in the target server. So yeah, this is just the basic explanation using also Ansible. Like as I've just been saying, you pull the Docker images and you configure the server. You see this you configure, then you run the application. So you can just use the Django app. Let me just show the Django app briefly. So this is to do projects, custom regards migrations, with the models of PY, URLs of PY, and the views of PY. Then just in the we have the email template. So this was the HTML for the email stuff. You can see it. This is the login. Then we have the register.